Last year, IBEST released the Global Assessment of Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, produced by hundreds of scientists around the world and approved by more than 130 governments. The report showed that 1 million of species of plant and animals out of a total of 8 million are now threatened with extinction. This has struck consciousness of people around the world, driving home the urgency of the crisis facing biodiversity and the contributions it makes to all of us. I really believe that the global conversation about biodiversity is changing. So on the eve of the UN Biodiversity Summit, I call on everyone in any kind of decision-making role to make ambitious commitments to protect biodiversity and nature. Together, we can and must trigger a truly transformative change. I have tagged President Macron of France and former President Santos of Colombia for championing biodiversity, and also Dr. Peter Daszak, President of EcoHealth Alliance, for his visionary work on the linkages between biodiversity and pandemics. We are all together in this vital battle to save life on Earth, for nature and for ourselves.